Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make waffle mix from scratch. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl until they are perfectly combined. This ensures even distribution of the leavening agents, which is key for fluffy waffles. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. For an extra touch of flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Making sure these are well combined will create a smooth base for our delicious waffle batter. Now it's time to bring everything together. Gently pour your wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry mixture. Stir until just combined. It's crucial not to overmix, as this can lead to tough waffles. A few small lumps are absolutely fine. Let the batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, resulting in a lighter, fluffier texture. Finally, let's cook these amazing waffles. Preheat your waffle iron to your desired setting and lightly grease it if needed. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the hot iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Serve them warm with your favorite syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.